How to perform practical in Virtech lab. Introduction. To perform practical, press the Start Practical button. Confirm the lab that you want to start it. Sometimes it may take a few minutes to set up, so please wait a while. And here you go, this is your personal virtual lab. This button on the top left corner of the screen gives you some extra features like details of the practical, option to open the practical manual and to save the session in the browser or on the server to prevent the loss of the experiment due to connectivity issue or because of any other issue. Submit result option to make your experiment checked by your teacher. Then on the top right corner of the screen, you have a button to see the projection screen. This feature is used to see an accurate color change. It is available in light and in dark modes. So here we came to the lab with an equipment rack, reagent rack, a pickup side table, and when you scroll down the main working table. For scrolling directly to the table you have a button below the equipment rack, go to table, you can directly use it, and for coming back you will find a button, go to rack above table. For picking up a single piece of equipment, first open the equipment rack with a single click on it and then double tap the equipment. For picking it up for multiple pickup singles, click the equipment and then click select equipment, and here all the equipment are on the side table. Do the same in the reagent rack to pick up the reagent. Then to transfer all the stuff on the main table from the side table you have two options. First double click individual and drop them down, or press the transfer all item button below the equipment rack. Every equipment has its own control, you can see them by double click on it.